Chica's birthday today. To be her pet feeder. Her present is sitting in the back. Xiaomi pet feeder 2. Besides her present, this also came in mail. Little cats, candle right here, warming their paws. That's so cute. Look at that. Anyways, let's unbox this bad boy. Come here, Chica. Smart pet food feeder grading, the display, large capacity, dual power hat. First little packet. I love this. Right? You love it, right? This is huge. You put the cartridge here. You also put the food. I'm gonna put the bowl. It says that I have to take out this left. Construction looks helicopter. So now we're putting in all of Chica's details. I kind of constructed it right.